two installers see nearly identical sheets. One says vapor barrier, the other says vapor retarder. Who was right? Pause and choose. Are these different materials, different classifications, or just different words? Both terms concern molecular water vapor diffusion. A vapor retarder slows diffusion to a defined degree. In general usage, vapor barrier implies stronger resistance. The difference is degree, not vapor moving versus stopping completely. Does barrier mean zero diffusion? No. The terminology is not universal. Jurisdictions, standards, product declarations, and applications may use different names, values, or classifications. A definition from one framework should not be silently applied to another. The word barrier sounds absolute, but it does not mean mathematically zero vapor transmission. Use applicable declared performance, not the marketing name, to understand the degree of diffusion resistance. Do not confuse four functions: vapor diffusion, air movement, liquid water, and heat flow. One product may perform several functions only when applicable evidence supports each one. Which one does SD describe? Vapor diffusion. Inside a wall, the label is only one piece of information. Material performance, thickness, continuity, adjoining layers, and environmental conditions influence the complete assembly. Prediction test. The sheet has high diffusion resistance, but its joint is open. What happens at the open joint? Bulk air bypasses the material. SD describes diffusion through the material, not air moving through a seam. The reverse is also possible. A continuous airtight layer may still allow comparatively more diffusion through its material. Airtightness and vapor resistance are separate properties, requiring separate evidence. Where should vapor control be located? There is no universal answer for every wall. Climate, indoor conditions, exterior exposure, seasonal vapor direction, materials, moisture sources, and drying potential all affect the decision. Some vapor control products change resistance with environmental conditions. That may support suitable assemblies, but variable resistance is not universal approval. Verify the declared range, test basis, and project context. Use 4 questions to examine the evidence. What function is claimed? What performance is declared? Which framework and conditions apply? How does the complete assembly manage air, vapor, rain, and drying? Final test: molecules moving through a solid layer? Diffusion. Bulk air through an open seam? Air leakage. Does the label vapor barrier prove the whole wall is suitable? No. Assembly context and applicable evidence are still required.